Hello everyone, today I'm going to share to you our prototype which is a class record. So ang una po natin gagawin dito is i-enter lang po natin ang number of student kung ilan pong student na i-compute natin ang grade. So for example is dalawang estudyante lang po ang i-compute natin na grade and then submit lang po. And then ang susunod po natin gagawin is yung maximum points ng quiz, activities, attendance, prelim, midterm, and finals. So dito po muna tayo sa quiz. Ang max points ng quiz is 5 and the activities is 10 and the attendance is 5 and the prelim is 25 and midterm 50 and final is 50. So ang susunod po natin gagawin is i-enter po natin ang name ng first student. For example lang po is Mike. So ang nakuha niya po sa quiz is 3 points and the activities is 5 and the attendance is 3 at sa prelim naman is 13 at sa midterm 25 at sa finals 25. So i-enter po ulit natin yung name ng student 2, for example Cesar. Enter lang po natin yung nakuha niyang points sa quizzes, example 5 and then activities 10, attendance 10, 5, prelim 25 and midterm 50 and finals 50. So ang susunod po natin gagawin dito is sasubmit lang po natin itong grading sheet na record po natin. Submit. And then magpapakita po yung result ng nakuha nilang grade. Yung student 1 is Mike. Ang nakuha niya sa quiz is 80% and sa activities grade is 75 and attendance 80, prelim 76, midterm 75, finals 75, overall is 76. And then dito naman sa student to, which is si Cesar, naka 100% sa kasi 5 maximum points po ang quizzes and then ganoon din po sa activities, attendance, prelim, midterm, finals, and then nakuha niya po is 100% grade. Yun lang po, so thank you po sa pakikinig po.